Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Sorry for the wiggly camera. I wanted to share some happy mail with you. I just got this incoming happy mail coming from Alicia, who is Little Paper Crafter here on YouTube and on Instagram. I'll leave her links down below. If you don't know, she's also a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so I'll leave all the info in the description box so that you can check her out. Alicia! What? Oh my gosh, girl. Oh, oh my gosh. They don't call it Happy Mail for nothing, okay? That's what I'm saying. Oh my gosh. I just want to show you her little Hello Kitty. So cute. I love it. Thank you, Alicia, for thinking of me. Let me make sure. There it is. There is a card. Do-do-do-do-do-do. How cute. Oh, look, see, there it is. There's her information. If you want to screenshot that, Lil Paper Crafter at Yahoo and also on Instagram. She's also on YouTube. Lil Paper Crafter Alicia. Look at her beautiful card. Oh my goodness. How cute. Oh, this is the winnings from Saleh's challenge. So funny. Thank you so much, my friend. I had a few extras because, aw. She said she added a few extras because she loves me. So she just put her little note on a sticky so that I could use her card, her beautiful card. I believe it's a Doodlebug collection. I might have to ask her. That is a pretty card. Thank you so much, my friend. This is gorgeous. And thank you for the extras. She gave me some burlap ribbon. Let's see. It is Recollections. It's a Recollections. This color is Cinta. And this color, oh no, that's not Cinta. Psh. Cinta is probably the ribbon. I'm trying to peel it so I can see. Oh, anyways, it's a lime green and a light blue. So I don't know, those colors. Thank you. And then some trim. Oh, I could have used this. Oh, I could have used this. Yes, I would definitely put this to the Valentine's stash. This is gorgeous trim. Look at that. And she sent me a bunch. Oh my goodness. And then the little Genjis. Oh, how cute. Thank you so much, friend. Oh my goodness. Sweet little Santa hats. You know what? I just used up the last of the Santa hats from last Christmas. And then these are Stampin' Up. Stampin' Up lace doilies. Oh my goodness. So guys, don't forget, check her out. Wow. I have to open this. This is a paper collection, Gingerbread and Peppermint 6x6 Designer Series from Stampin' Up. I have to open this. Oh my gosh, girl. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I wonder, okay, it looks like it's a repeat, but there's several patterns in here. So I'm just gonna pull this off. Look at this. It's a nice, good quality paper. Oh, double-sided. Girl, somebody is hosting a Christmas all year long, like craft with me. And you've got the red with the little green and red little dots in the middle, and then this beautiful lacy detail. And then this is like frosting on this one. And then is it, let me see, just making sure. Yeah. Oh yeah, green with the red and white. And then let me put this down. Then this is the Christmas tree cookies. Oh my gosh, I could see myself fussy cutting this, going to town. There's 4 pages of each paper. And then you've got the brown with the little cross hatch there. Look at the edges, like a like a toasted cookie, a well-loved cookie. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is like gingerbread house designs. How pretty. And then the back is the peppermint. There's the peppermint that they called for. Gingerbread and peppermints. How beautiful. Alicia, thank you. You guys, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Girl. And there's more gingerbread house style frosting. And my fingers don't want to work today. And then you've got the mini micro peppermints. How pretty. And then this little cookie design. How cute. You don't see a lot of Christmas bells. Oh my gosh. What a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. Excuse me. 2, 3, 4. So that is one design with the peppermints. And then the back looks like this. How pretty. And then you have these designs, the ornaments with the bells. Very pretty. Oh my gosh. And then you also get the peppermints in that one. And that design. And the back looks like this. Very, very nice. Oh, this is a different, so repeat, not pattern, the cookies, but in a different setup, if that makes any sense. With the little peppermints, red and green. And then the back looks like that. Oh, man. And then here's the peppermints. Wow. That is so pretty. These are perfect for die cutting. And for card layouts. Oh, my gosh. Because I'm the worst at cards. This would make my life so much easier. And then you got this little design, red with the white swirls. And then this peppermint design, stripes. Oh my goodness. Alicia, this is gorgeous. What a gorgeous giveaway. Ah, thank you so much. And thank you, Sele, for that challenge. It's been so amazing. Sele had, it's not going to go back in there, so I'm going to just leave that over here. And she gave me some bows. How pretty. Glitter mini bows. And then here's more trims. Ooh, a pink and like a gray. Pretty. Right? Okay, girl, stand up, bow. Stand up. Okay. And then here we have some trim. It's a wide band trim. Look at that. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's even wider than it really is. It's, wow, a good maybe 5 inches. Anyway, get your mind out of the gutter. And you could also trim like right up in the middle, and if you don't need it that wide, you could like cut right up in the middle between these two bands right here, and then you'd have this little detail. How pretty is that? Thank you. And then the last trim, look at this. Oh my gosh. Don't mind my ashy fingers. That is a beautiful trim. Alicia, thank you so much, my friend. So I've got some doilies from Stampin' Up, and I'm imagining we could color these with our inks or our oh-hoo-hoos. Oh-hoo-hoo. And let me show her beautiful card because this is gorgeous. There we go. How pretty is that? Oh my God. Thank you so much, my friend. If you're new here, welcome. Join our crafty family and hit the subscribe button over here. And while you're at it, you can hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I go live or when I load new videos like this. Thanks again to Alicia for this wonderful prize, and thank you, Sele, for hosting your wonderful challenge. I had so much fun with the gingerbread challenge. If you guys missed it, go check out Sele's channel. You could also check out my channel. But anyways, thank you so much, and I'll see you all next time.